Hey, what's up guys, it's Cesar here, and on this training I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube without showing your face. So you're going to be able to see my screen right over there. Check this out. So we're going to deep dive, and this is a step-by-step process, and I'm going to show you. The first thing that we need is I'm going to do this video with my own article, and this step is important guys because you can't go to other people's website and copy and paste their articles and make a video about that. You need to use your own article or your own script. So for this example, I made a review about the Tai Lopez Crypto DeFi Accelerator that you are seeing in the screen. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to video.io, and I'm going to click here on the text to video, and then what am I gonna do is I'm going to click here on white, and I'm going to choose this standard business. I have this lively, standard business present, contemporary, cyberspace, and let me check another templates here. Stock trading, fall collection promo. We have the execute, the elegant, the supervise, the word is calling, and so much more templates that we can use and we can utilize to make our own videos from an article. This is the key part guys. We are going to use an article, and that article we are going to transform it into a video. So we're going to click here on standard business, and then I'm going to use this template, and that is my article that I wrote for this program. So for this video I'm going to copy and paste it over here. I'm going to paste, and the headline is going to be Tai Lopez Crypto DeFi Accelerator Review. And if I scroll down, you can see I can use also I can add the URL here, and this video is going to give me a video from the URL that I have that I can paste here. And the other option, the option 3, is I can add my media files here, but I'm going to use the option 1. So we're going to click here next, and then rearrange text. So let me see what is going to happen right now. We're going to click here next, and right now in video is making the video from the script that I have pasted in this website. So we are ready to rock and roll guys, and basically this is the video. And for example, I have this, and I can add more images if I want. I can add another scene. I can add more words if I want. So I'm going to click here on download. And then another thing about this in video guys is that if you want to remove this video logo, you need to upgrade the software. And the other thing is that if you want to have a best video quality, the full HD, also you need to upgrade. So I'm going to export it. 2% rendering, 12%. We're going slow. So this is a great tool that you can use if you want to transform your articles into video. We're going to rename it, and we're going to put our keyword, which is Tai Lopez Crypto DeFi Accelerator Review. And then we're going to post this video in our YouTube channel. So we're going to create and upload videos. We're going to drag and drop this. And in this part, guys, you need to put your URL. We're going to copy this URL and we're going to paste it here. Paste. And we're going to copy this keyword and we're going to paste it here. Paste. Another thing that we can do here is that we can copy this keyword and paste it here. And then recording date, we're going to put today, December 10th. So let me check. Okay, nice. Now that we have here uploaded our video, we're going to click here on next. Then if you want, you can add subtitles, you can add an end screen and add cards. I'm not going to add those things right now. The copyright, it doesn't found any issues, so I'm going to click here on next, and then I'm going to publish this video. And then if you want to, you can share that video in all your social media. Then we're going to close this. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you have watched this video to this far, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and talk to you soon.